Get ready for the astounding discovery that will likely cause stick-shift trucks to go extinct. Yes, you heard that correctly. Ever wonder why vehicles that still have the vintage stick shifts are purportedly going extinct more quickly than a magician's rabbit in a hat trick? It's a mystery layered over a puzzle, garnished with confusion. We're going to travel to the magical world where stick shifts, gearboxes, and levers are supposedly poised to meet their untimely end in this parallel universe of truck lore. So fasten your seatbelts, truck fans, and join us as we investigate the completely made-up story of why trucks with stick shifts seem to be saying goodbye in this bizarre story of automotive mystery. Why do trucks require so many gears? You see, have a wide range of gear ratios that accommodate a dizzying array of driving conditions. They are like the secret sauce of a car symphony. Gears are the unsung heroes who orchestrate this automotive ballet. From a motionless start to climbing vertigo-inducing inclines, racing at breakneck speeds, and yes, even gracefully braking. They maximize the powerhouse's performance and distribute fuel efficiency like party poppers by enabling the engine to dance within its most efficient RPM range. Using a clutch pedal and gear shift lever to manually choose gears and produce a symphony of gear changes. Nonetheless, a semi-truck transmission's most typical gear count ranges from 10 to 18. In 2023, a noteworthy milestone was reached when 90% of newly built semi-trucks in North America came with automated transmissions. This represents a significant increase from the relatively low 50% a decade prior in 2010. This change is not a coincidence. Rather, it is the result of an intentional decision motivated by the industry's dedication to driver comfort and operational effectiveness. Automatic transmissions have been the answer to the growing need for longer distance travel that is more comfortable and less taxing on the body because they do not require continual gear shifting. In addition to being more comfortable, these automated systems are demonstrating their worth by offering better fuel efficiency and less wear and tear, which benefits truck drivers as well as the bottom line of trucking businesses. The trend toward a future without stick shifts on the open road is further cemented by the fact that the formerly large price difference between automatic and manual transmissions has shrunk, and that many truck manufacturers now provide automatic transmissions as the norm. The era in which truck drivers had to become expert double clutches and gear matches due to the widespread use of manual transmissions. A turning point was reached in 1950 when Eaton released the Fuller Road Ranger 1000, a 3-speed wonder with a torque converter that was the first automatic transmission for semi-trucks. Automatic transmissions became more dependable during the 1960s and eventually overtook manual counterparts in the 1990s. The 1990s brought in the age of automated manual transmissions, AMTs, which combined the fuel-efficient nature of manual transmissions with the smooth ease of automatics. With the unstoppable advancement of technology, trucking entered a new era marked by sophisticated computer-controlled automatic transmissions that promised improved efficiency, less driver fatigue, and seamless shifts. Automatic transmission convenience has been a major factor in this development. The ability of an automatic transmission to shift ratios smoothly relieves the tiresome and distracting aspect of manual shifting during lengthy drives, especially as our roads get busier and our trips longer. Furthermore, automatic transmission's accuracy in controlling gear shifts improves fuel efficiency, which has positive effects on the economy and the environment. Beyond the steering wheel, automated gearboxes reduce driver fatigue beyond measure by removing the constant need to shift gears, improving overall safety and productivity. Although some regret the disappearance of manual gearboxes because they feel more in control, the benefits of automatic transmissions, along with their lower maintenance needs, indicate a revolution in the trucking business and the gradual demise of the once common stick shift. As we say goodbye to the days of truck stick shifters, it's important to recognize how rapidly technology is advancing and how the demands of the modern driver are changing. The demise of manual transmissions is a step toward efficiency, safety, and flexibility rather than just the loss of tradition. Accepting automated convenience as the standard marks a turning point in the development of trucking, where the path ahead is paved with ease and creativity. Thus, let's change course as we traverse this evolving terrain, both literally and figuratively, and welcome the future of trucking. Though the journey may change, the endpoint, progress, remains constant. Safe travels on tomorrow's ever-improving highway.